with Living Well Properties, and today I'm out at Light Farms to check on the Highland Homes build job that just got textured. So very excited. I'm gonna flip this camera around and we're gonna head inside. Okay, y'all. There's like mounds of dirt everywhere, so I'm going to go in through the garage. Actually, you know what? There is a little walkway over here. They didn't put it all the way up to the garage, but all right, real quick. There's the garage. Ooh, awesome. I see some office doors and looks like the master closet entry or master bedroom entry doors. Look at these beautiful cedar beams. I love that. And then on your windows here, and then there's one all the way. Nope, there's not one up there. I lied. Okay, let's go inside. Awesome. Okay, so for those that are from other states other than Texas, we put texture on our walls because our drywall is slightly thinner than what you guys use everywhere else. So the reason we do that is so that you can't see the seams in between the different pieces of sheetrock. Awesome. Okay, so when we come in, we've got an office here. Double doors, the really pretty ones in the garage that had windows in it, that's gonna go in the entryway. I'm gonna try and get close up to this so you can see. We call this knockdown or orange peel because when they paint it, it'll look like an orange peel, but it won't be orange, so. Okay, coming on through. We've got a beautiful, beautiful hallway, nice and wide. Off to the right, this is where you enter in through the garage. And then you have a coat closet there. And down over here to the left, we've got 2 secondary bedrooms and a full bath. So we'll hit this one first. Nice little hallway into this bedroom. Nice vaulted ceilings. Great light in here from that one window. Walk-in closet. And coming back out. Other bedroom, similar in size, vaulted ceilings. And walk-in closet. And then both of those bedrooms will use this bathroom. It'll be a single sink vanity, shower tub combo. Perfect. All right, coming back out, we have another hallway here with your laundry and another bedroom and bath. So laundry is to the right. Washer dryer goes on that wall. That should be your low voltage panel on the wall there. So that'll be where all of your HDMI cables and whatnot will be run. Bedroom. Walk-in closets. Double doors. Nope, one door, sorry. And the bathroom for this bedroom is right here. So another single sink vanity, shower tub combo. And we're moving on into the heart of the home. Awesome. Okay, we've got the kitchen. Cabinets are in. Oh my gosh, I love, love, love it. Look at those beautiful cabinets on top. The uppers are gonna have glass in them. Gorgeous. Beautiful island. Big eat-in kitchen dining area and then open to the living room. This is what everybody wants, y'all. Big open space. And then you have a giant pantry right here. I'm a little jealous about that. And they got your floor plug here. Very cool. Fireplace. I'm gonna turn around so you can kind of see it from this angle. There's a window seat over there, so if you wanted to buy a table that you could push it up there and use that as a bench, that's awesome. And then looking back to the front, so pretty. Awesome. And then we have over here in this corner, we've got a storage closet and then the master bedroom with a bayed out window. Beautiful. And the master bath. Oh my gosh, so cool. Okay, so your tub. You have a single vanity with his and her sides, right? And then the middle is your little makeup area. And your shower. And you have a water closet there. You have storage, a linen closet here, And the master closet. Nice and large master. Awesome. My gosh, that's a big closet. All right, we're gonna go look at the back patio and yard. Gosh, guys, this is so, oh my gosh, look at the beadboard. I completely missed that. Do you see that? Oh, I love when they do this. So cool. You guys, it's so pretty. All right, outside. Patio, standard size patio. And your gas stub is right on this column here. Then you have a nice yard back here. I mean, this is big enough for a pool, trampoline, play set, whatever you want. Wow, guys, this is so awesome. Okay, y'all, that wraps up the tour this week. I'm so excited to see how much progress was made. We are really close. Okay, so they've got countertops will be coming in, and then you'll be getting some plumbing fixtures and your tile and flooring, and before you know it, we're gonna be closing and you'll be moving in. So cool. Of course, you know how to reach me if you need me. For y'all that are tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan. I work with Living Well Properties, and I would love to be able to help you with your new construction home. So if you're in the market in Collin County, please give me a call, text, or email, or you can schedule a Zoom appointment with the button below. And until next time, y'all, take care and God bless. Bye.